Hi, today we'll see how to install a whole house water purifier which can be installed for a half HP motor. This can be usually installed between the sump and your overhead tank, and I'm just going to show you how to install this. And usually this removes sediment impurities in the waters up to 5 micron, and also iron or any suspended impurities in the water up to 5 micron level. If it's going to be iron, it can remove up to 60% the water clarity can be achieved. And if it's going to be, the water is going to be very turbid, and even in that case also you can achieve up to 50%. Let's see how we are going to install this. Just take this key, put this inside, and just hold this and unscrew this. Make sure you remove this filter, and there is a wrap covered inside the filter. Open the wrap, unseal it, then after that put it back inside the filter before using it. Also, you find this clamp and also these 4 SS screws. What you need to do is put this clamp on top of this and make sure this is a self-threading option screw, so just put it on top of this and take a spanner and tighten all these 4 screws. Make sure you put all these screws like that and tighten all the screws like this, and requires a lot of patience to do this. Okay, after tightening all these 4 screws together, then after that what you need to do is you have to buy these things from the stores, which is not included in the pack, and you need to buy these screws to mount it on the wall. Maybe you can use these plugs, or you can use this plastics also to mount it on the wall, mount this clamp on the wall. And you also need to buy these stuff from the hardware stores to connect onto your pipeline. This is a 1-inch MTA which is made up of CPVC. You have to find out what is your pipeline, whether it should be a PVC pipeline or a UPVC pipeline. Based on that you have to buy this from the market, and make sure you add Teflon in this so that there's no leak happening. Add Teflon, and then after that you just need to put this, and make sure you also have a union so that you're able to remove the whole unit outside in case of any requirement, and then plug it and connect it to your motor. Also, when you do this, you also need to put a bypass line like this, which is going directly to your overhead tank, so that in case of any choke of the filter or anything, you can open the valve and push your water directly to the overhead tank. For your understanding, we have just made a small setup here, and you just need to mount this filter on the wall. You have to buy these screws from the hardware stores and mount it, and this is the setup which we have made. On the left side tank, which is the bottom one, the glass one, is the raw water tank or your sump water or your borewell water, and from there your water is going to the motor pump, half HP motor pump, and from there this goes to the filtration system, and from there again the water gets purified and gets collected to your overhead tank, which is on the top. Keep in mind there is a cartridge inside this filter, and based on your water quality, and this would require a change. I'm just going to show you which water this will purify. And this is a sediment water. Of course this will remove the sediments in the water, and this is a sandy water and maybe fine sands coming out of your borewell. This will remove it, and this will not work for the muddy water, nor iron water or hard water. So other than this removes these 2 water. So it's perfect. Thank you.